This is a quick video on how to upgrade the RAM on a Lenovo E560. All you need is a small Phillips head screwdriver and your replacement RAM. Here's the 7 steps that we'll go through. So first, make sure you turn off your laptop. This one is already turned off, so that's done. Second, remove the battery and the power cable. So the power cable's removed. To remove the battery, there's 2 slots here. The one on your left, slide that to the unlock. The one on the right, hold it in the unlock position, pull the battery out. Okay, so that is done. Next thing is to remove the back panel. For this laptop, there's just 3 screws. There's here, here, and here. So I'll pull those quick. The screws don't actually come out. They're locked into the back panel. So you just got to give them a few twists. And once you do that, there's a little lip here that you can pop the back plate off. Okay, now with the standard laptop package you have, you're going to have 1 stick of RAM, should be in this slot, and then this slot is going to be empty. So for the new RAM, just make sure that the notch here lines up with the notch in the RAM slot, which you can kind of see right there. And you put it in at a 45-degree angle, just very lightly. It'll slide in. So you can see now that it's in place. You give it just a little push so you can't see any of the gold pins, and it's basically like a spring mount. So then to finish, you just push it down until you hear it click. On each side of the RAM, there's a little spring-loaded piece that will lock it into place. And that's all there is to it. So we got the back panel removed. We got the RAM in. Next is to replace the back panel. There's 2 little latches on right there and there that you need to set in, and then you can put the rest of the panel down. Then you tighten the screws. Make sure it's all flush. Alright, back panel is replaced. Next thing is to put the battery back in and connect the power cable. So we'll do that. There. And I got my power cable. Okay. There we go. So that's done. And last, just turn it on and hope it boots up. I haven't even turned this thing on since it was returned to me, so I don't know if this is even a good laptop. But